This is such a beautiful kahila. I believe so strongly in the survival of the Jewish people. It's in my bones. It's not in my brain. It's in my bones. And no one does more than you, Rebbe, to make sure that the Jewish people prosper and grow from strength to strength. So, toda rabba. Yeah?
Yeah, very well, very well. Bedankt gezegd voor de, ja. But the meeting in Ashkal, we had a long list of things to thank the senator, between the stimulus funding we said gemacht available, the PPP for the Moisdes, and het nooit gewollt heren, I had to bring the administrator, he's the administrator, because he can't, and we came up with the numbers.
No, but he fought that it shouldn't be only under 500. It should be 500 over and 1,000. And